right, so the typical household in the nation of Zambia buys the following per month. Okay, 3 packets of sugar, right? 4 packets of salt, 5 loaves of bread, right? Now we've been taught to calculate the CPI, or the Consumer Price Index, right? This is used to measure the cost of typical goods and services bought by households within a nation, right? So we've calculated the CPI and the inflation rate, right? And the year 2000 is the base year, all right? So what we're going to do is, let's start with the year 2000, okay? Year, let's say 2000, so say Y 2000, right? So we're going to start with sugar, all right? The price of sugar is 3, all right? The quantity bought by the consumers is 3, so we say 3 times 3 and 3. Okay, that's for sugar. We say plus, okay, salt. For salt, we buy the price is 4 kwacha, right? And people usually buy 4 packets per month, right? Plus going to the price of bread, all right? 5 kwacha, all right? Price of bread 5 kwacha, and people buy how many loaves? Oh, here it's supposed to be 6, 3, 6, and 5. 5 times 5, yes. Okay, so let me just color the numbers so that we can, the price, I'll put it in red. Okay, price 3 kwacha sugar, price of salt, okay, in red, right? And the price of bread, okay. So we're going to do the calculations. All right, so we'll say 3 times 3, that is 9. 3 times 3, that's 9. 6 times 4, that's 24. All right, and 5 times 5, that is 25. All right, so 9 plus 24 plus 25, we get 58. Right, we get 58. Right, so we're going to put here CPI 58. Okay, go to the year 2001. Year 2001. Right, so we're going to start quantity. They still get 3 packets of sugar, but the price now is 4 kwacha. The price now is 4 kwacha plus salt. Quantity of salt is 4. All right, quantity of salt is 4 times 7 kwacha. Okay, so I'll highlight the prices in red. Plus loaves of bread 5 by 10. Okay, so let me just highlight so that for revision purposes you won't get confused, because tables tend to get confusing at times. Okay, so we're going to say 3 times 4, that is 12. 4 times 7, that is 28. Plus 50, well, that's 19. So we get 19. And 90. We're going to write here 90. All right. And then we're going to say year 2002. All right. We're going to say the quantity of bread still stays the same, 3 by 3 by 5. All right. Plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 15. 5 by 15. All right. So let me just put these properly. You can calculate for me while I'm putting these things in order. 15 plus 12 plus 75, I believe.
45.
75.
72.
70,
15 times 5? No.
15 plus 12 plus 75.
Yes.
Hmm.
102.
102. All right, so we have our CPI here, 102. So we remember the formula for CPI, it's current price of the market basket, right? Divided by the price of the base year, right? So for the year 2000, right? The year 2000 is going to be 58, that's the current price, times divided by the base year times 100.
It's still 100.
Okay. That's what I was supposed to do this. This is market value, market value of basket of goods and services. Market value. Then the CPI is here. CPI here is 100. CPI is 100. For 2001, it's going to be 90 divided by 58 times 100.
155.
155. And then the final year, we're going to have 102 divided by 58 times 100.
100. 176.
Okay, that's the CPI 176. All right. So when we compare the year 2000 and 2001, all right, there's been a 55% increment in the price of the market basket, right? 55% price increment in the price of the market basket. Then if you compare 2002 and the base year, there's been a 76% price increment in the price of the market basket, right? Then we can now also calculate the inflation rate, which is the CPI of this year minus the CPI of the previous year divided by the CPI of the previous year times 100. So what I mean is going to be CPI of this year is 155 minus CPI of the previous year, 100, all right, divided by the CPI of the previous year times 100.
Divide.
Mm.
Divided by 100. Yeah. 100 again. 255.
255,
No, 55.
55%, right? 55% price increment. Right, then for when we're comparing 2002 and 2001, it's 176 minus 155 divided by 100 times 100. What do we get?
21.
21% increment. All right, 1% increment. Right, so that's how you calculate the CPI and the inflation rate. Okay.